Welcome to How to Succeed in ECE Without Even Trying. I'm Dr. Linda DeBrenner. Today we're doing another K-map example using four variables, and I've selected the function f of wxyz is equal to the sum of midterms 2, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 13. So let's go ahead and plot those on our K-map. Let's go ahead and label our K-map as wxyz. Just making a note, some books do it differently, but this is the way I'm going to do it. So let's plot our midterms. Talk to my classes about how we label the midterms. Midterm 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8's up here, 9, 10, 11, 12, midterm 12, midterm 13, midterm 14, and midterm 15. Okay, so let's go ahead and label those with ones because they're midterms 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there's our midterms labeled. Let's go ahead and start grouping. First, we look for any midterms that are by themselves that are not adjacent to any others, and we have some like that. Let's go ahead and look at them. Okay, these all have adjacents. They're all adjacent to each other. But this one right here is not adjacent to any other. See, no edges are shared. So let's go ahead and start with that one. And that corresponds to that term corresponds to W bar X, Y, Z. So to figure that out, I look up and I see that it corresponds to W is 0, X is 1, Y is 1, Z is 1. So that's W bar X, Y, Z. Okay, once I find one that's not adjacent to anything else, I know that it must be in the group. So that's why I went ahead and grouped it. Now I need to look and see if there's any other terms that have no adjacencies or no adjacent midterms. And indeed, I do have another one. This term, it has no adjacencies. It does not share any edges with any others. It does share a corner with this term up there, but that doesn't mean anything. So we can't do anything at all with that. So we now have another midterm that's in a group of size 1, and that corresponds to W bar, X bar, Y, Z bar. Moving on, we look, this one is adjacent to 2, this one's adjacent to 2, this one's adjacent to 2, and this one's adjacent to 2. It doesn't matter which one we choose. We ask ourselves, is it in a group of size 16 or 8? No. Is it in a group of size 4? The answer is yes. And I can do a group of 4 here. And that corresponds to W as being a 1 and Y as being a 0. So W, Y bar. Again, how do you read that? I look and see these two columns correspond to W as a 1. These two rows correspond to Y as a 0. So it's W, Y bar. And there you go.